I think we know what time it is.
Listen, I'm tired of packing my girlfriend lunches, so today I'm packing a bento. A technique that's super underrated but I think everyone should learn is braising meat, taking the meat out, and then reducing the braising liquid into a sauce. It's super easy to do, and it's an express one way to get to Flavor Town. I just freestyled whatever ingredients I had laying around and ended up with a super flavorful and delicious soy honey basil chicken. Another common bento item I'm making is tamagoyaki. This is a shortcut version that uses dashi powder, but I still think it's really tasty. I used to make a ton of these in college, mainly because eggs were the cheapest protein available, and this was a nice way to change it up. Rice and umeboshi, aka salted pickled plum, is an OG flavor combo for good reason. It's super delicious. Also, some people ask me what I eat when I pack these lunches, and the answer is obvious. Just the same thing as her, but with more protein. I have to eat a ton of protein to support my 5-day workout split of biceps, 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 and biceps. Keeping in line with the bento theme, I'm peeling these apples in a pattern that's supposed to look like a rabbit. I don't really see it though. Bonus tip: soaking apple slices in lemon water helps the color and taste stay fresh for longer. And then, departing from the bento theme entirely, I'm adding a homemade Uncrustable for dessert. I honestly think the store-bought ones taste better, but she insists that she likes the homemade version more. Today's accompanying doodle is a money bee. May the money bee bless you with financial security.